लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે બાયનોમિયલ એક્સપાન્શન એનો ફર્સ્ટ સમ કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 2 ઓફ બાયનોમિયલ. Interpolate y when x is equal to 50 from the following data. X 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. Small x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ux 20, 29, 37, 50 નું આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે. ધેટ મીન્સ U3 આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે. 57 and 68. This is U0, U1, U2, U3, U4 and U5. Okay. હાઈએસ્ટ વેલ્યુ 5 છે એટલે e રેસ ટુ 5 થશે. ડેલ્ટા રેસ ટુ 5, ડેલ્ટા રેસ ટુ 5 u0 is equal to 0. Delta means e minus a. 1 raised to 5 u0 is equal to 0. So 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, 5c4, 5c5. E raised to 5, e raised to 4, e raised to 2, e raised to 1, e raised to 0 multiplied by u0 is equal to 0. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. This is 5c0. First 5c0 also 5, 4. Okay. First of all, 5c0, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, 5c4 and 5c5. E raised to 5, e raised to 4, e raised to 3, e raised to 2, e raised to 1, e raised to 0 multiplied by ux is equal to 0. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. 5c0, 1, e raised to 5, that is e raised to 5. 5c1, 5, e raised to 4. 5c2, 10, e raised to 3. 5c3, 10, e raised to 2. 5c4, 5, e raised to 1. 5c5, 1, e raised to 0. 1 નો લખાય એટલે e raised to 0 multiplied by u0, that is equal to 0. u0 multiplied by e raised to 5, that is u5. 5u4, 10u3, 10u2, 5u1 and u0 is equal to 0. u5 is equal to 68. 5 multiplied by u4 is equal to 57. 10 u3 આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના છે. u3 10 u2 is equal to 37. 5 u1 is equal to 29. u0 is equal to 20 is equal to 0. 68 minus 57 multiplied by 5, 285 plus 10 u3. 37 multiplied by 10, 370. 5 multiplied by 29, 145. Minus 20 is equal to 0. This is minus 20. So 10 u3 is equal to 285 સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો પ્લસ થશે 370 સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો પ્લસ થશે, 20 સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો પ્લસ થશે, 145 માઇનસ થશે, 68 માઇનસ થશે. 10u3 is equal to 285 plus 370 plus 20 minus 145 minus 68. That is 462. 10 સામેની સાઈડ જશે એટલે ડિવાઈડ થશે, 462 divided by 10. So u3 is equal to 46.2. This is your answer. Next, example number 3. If f0 is equal to 3, f1 is equal to 10, f3 is equal to 20, f4 is equal to 35 and f6 is equal to 50. Find f2 and f5. Here f0, f1, f2, f3, f4, f5 and f6 are given. Now f0 is equal to 3, 10, f2 find करवानो છે, 20, f4 35, f5 find करवानो છે, f6 50. So u0, u1, u2, u3, u4, u5 and u6 are there. Now we have known value કેટલી છે એમાંથી? તો કે 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 value are known. So we have to find out delta raised to 5 u0 and delta raised to 5 u1. બે ઇક્વેશન મળશે એ આપણે સોલ્વ કરશી એટલે આપણે આપણી વેલ્યુ મળી જશે. So delta raised to 5 u0 is equal to 0. E minus 1 raised to 5 u0 is equal to 0. 5c1, 5c0, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, 5c4, 5c5. E raised to 5, e raised to 4, e raised to 3, e raised to 2, e raised to 1, e raised to 0. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Multiplied by u0 is equal to 0. 5c0 1, e raised to 5, that is e raised to 5. 5 e raised to 4. 10 e raised to 3. 10 e raised to 2. 5 e raised to 1 એટલે કે 5e minus e raised to 0 multiplied by u0, this is 1, is equal to 0. u0 અંદર multiply થશે, u5, 5u4, 10u3, 10u square, 5u1 minus u0 is equal to 0. u5 આપણે find કરવાના છે. 5u4, u4 35, 10u3, u3 20, 10u2 આપણે find કરવાના છે. u1, 5u1 10 minus u0 3 is equal to 0. So u5 we have to find out. 5 multiplied by 35, 175, 10 multiplied by 20, 200, 10u2 plus 50 minus 3 is equal to 0. So u5 minus 10u2, 175 માઇનસ છે, સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો પ્લસ થશે, 200 પ્લસ છે માઇનસ થશે, 50 પ્લસ છે માઇનસ થશે, 3 માઇનસ છે પ્લસ થશે. u5 minus 10 10u2 is equal to 250 minus 175 minus 3, that is 72. એને આપણે કહેશું ઇક્વેશન નંબર 1. Now delta raised to 5 u1 is equal to 0. E minus 1 raised to 5 u1 is equal to 0. 5c0, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, 5c4, 5c5. E raised to 5, e raised to 4, e raised to 3, e raised to 1, e raised to 2, e raised to 1 and e raised to 0. Plus minus plus minus plus minus multiplied by u1 khas is equal to 0. 5c0, that is 1, e raised to 5, 5 e raised to 4, 10 e raised to 3, 10 e raised to 2, 5 e minus 1 multiplied by u1 is equal to 0. u1 અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે, u1 e raised to 5, that is u6, 5u5, 10u4, 10u3, 5u1, 5u2, u1 is equal to 0, u6 50, 5u5 we have to find out, u5, 10u4, u4 is equal to 35, minus 10u3, 20, 5u2 we have to find out, and u1 10 is equal to 0. So 50, 5u5 plus 350 minus 200 plus 5u2 minus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 5u5 plus 5u2 is equal to, બાકીનું બધું સામેની સાઈડ જશે, 200 સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો પ્લસ થશે, 10 સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો પ્લસ થશે, 350 માઇનસ થશે, 50 પણ માઇનસ થશે. 5u5 plus 5u2 is equal to 350 plus 10, that is 360, minus 50 minus 200, that is 110. This is our equation number 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. First equation, u5 minus 10u2 is equal to 72. Second equation, minus u5 plus 5u2 is equal to 110. So equation number 2 ને આપણે 2 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશું. u5 minus 10u2 is equal to 72. 10u5 minus plus 10u2 is equal to 110 multiplied by 2, that is 220. 10u2 plus minus cancel, minus 10u5 plus u5, that is minus 9u5. 220 minus 72, 220 plus 72, this is minus 110. 220 minus 72, that is minus 148. u5 is equal to 16.44. Put u5 is equal to 16.44 in equation number 1. u5 minus 10 u2 is equal to 72. 16.44 minus 10 u2 is equal to 72. 16.44 minus 72 is equal to 10 u2. 72 minus 16.44, that is 55.56, divided by 10 is equal to u2. 5.56 is equal to u2. So here this is your answer. In next session we will start our next example. Thank you.